In an emergency, it's crucial that first responders are notified as quickly as possible. Every second counts.
Those seconds are what make the difference in saving lives.
The right technology can help first responders get there fast. The right technology is from Swissphone. But today, most fire services in America use slower technology that require complex and slow dispatching procedures.
Most first responders have the older analog tone and voice system. With the Swissphone Dical digital paging, seconds can be cut off that paging, which in turn reduces the response time. In the case of a heart attack, that means the difference between life and death.
Swissphone's Dical solution allows a step-by-step approach. Any fire chief using an analog infrastructure can utilize Swissphone's outstanding S-Quad voice pager now.
They were really good pagers. They workhorses, you know. They've been dropped and, you know, and wet, and they still come through. The
clarity of the pager is outstanding. The reception, I can get a page now throughout the whole county. I actually can hear the page. The repeat is very clear. The simple and the ease of the pager, and my repair bill has dropped 97%.
The S-Quad voice extends the coverage of the existing analog tone and voice infrastructure using its superior sensitivity. Also, its extreme ruggedness means that it requires less maintenance, which lowers repair costs, if ever there is a repair needed.
Dealers call me every day. We provide a 24-hour turnaround. Nobody does that. We also provide a flat fee for repairs and one of the lowest costs in the industry. And finally, a 30-day free demo. They can try it for 30 days, no obligation. If they don't like it, send it back. Nobody sends them back.
Having the S-Quad voice pager is the first step of a smooth migration to digital paging. With a simple firmware upgrade, the pager becomes a digital pager.
The S-Quad pager allows a typical tone and voice customer to upgrade their pagers, and then later when they go to a digital paging system, they can use that same pager on their new system.
Swissphone's S-Quad pagers allow for a smooth migration because they are dual format. They allow for tone and voice now, digital POC-SAG later, and this allows you to protect the investment on the initial pager purchases.
The core of this digital solution is Swissphone's Dical digital paging network.
Dical allows us to offer a paging solution that our competition can't even come close to. Better coverage, lower response time at a reduced cost.
Swissphone's solution for smooth migration to digital alerting is perfect for customers considering an upgrade to P25. Migrating voice from analog to digital normally leaves the problem of alerting unresolved or even worsened, which is why Swissphone's Dical solution is ideal to migrate pagers to digital for a fraction of the cost of the P25 project.
If you're currently working on a P25 network, we can offer you a paging network that is 5% of the overall cost of that project, as well as a device that has longer battery life than any other on the market, and superior coverage, indoor coverage in particular.
This can make a difference for a partner when bidding for a P25 project. It can also help the end user successfully apply for grants for the entire project, as well as lower their ISO ratings, as digital alerting with Dical is fully compliant with NFPA 1221.
Swissphone offers us a competitive advantage to provide our customers with a superior paging solution that can complement their P25 system.
For even smoother migration, Swissphone's S-Quad pager is capable of both analog voice paging and digital paging. The ideal solution for customers who wish to keep their voice paging while gradually transitioning to digital alerting.
These guys are first responders, and so it's necessary for them to have an opportunity for them to use, both be able to read it as well as hear it. When you're working in a first responder atmosphere, you quite often can't hear, so you can see it, and vice versa. You might not be able to see it, it's smoky, you can hear it. You know, so that gives them an opportunity to have both, and it's very important that they have that as a solution.
So why not alert with P25 pagers from the start?
The reason for having a separate paging solution is, number one, redundancy. So you're not relying on your P25 system from the console through the radio system. It's a separate solution and it's standalone.
Let's talk about the P25 network. Indoor coverage. The people that need to be notified are usually indoors, whether it be their home or their business. A P25 network isn't built that way. The responders have to get the message where they are, and most times they're indoors. And our paging network is designed so that they get penetration within their homes, within their place of business, so they can respond to the community's needs more rapidly.
So why not use smartphone apps for alerting and the coverage of commercial cellular base stations if indoor coverage and speed are key requirements?
When they go down, and we've had this experience in Florida, the hurricanes come in and they twist things all on the towers and stuff. The pagers that we've got still work. I really think that's important.
These features, better coverage, faster response time, lower total cost of ownership, as well as highest reliability, make DICAL the ideal solution for first responders.
We see the DICAL POCSEG system being the ultimate wide area solution for departments that are currently looking to move away from their legacy tone and voice systems and into a reliable, robust digital solution.
A Swiss phone definitely fit our need a lot better than any of the other manufacturers that we were working with or looking at.
Swiss phone's been a great partner to work with. Their engineering staff has just been second to none in helping us develop and design systems for our customers.
Swiss Phone's experienced and dedicated team wants to make the difference for you. Contact us to help you get better coverage, faster response times, and lowered total cost of ownership. We look forward to hearing from you.